So this is very peculiar, very different. We're starting a brand. We're doing clothes today, basically. This is completely different from what we usually do. This is our first photo shoot that we're sort of planned, and it's kind of sort of based around our clothing brand for the Driven. So we've got, as you can see, a Lambo behind us, thanks to the main man, Connor. And yeah, we've just started doing a photo shoot over there. Got a photo shoot behind me, and it's all going off in this area. It's pretty crazy. So yeah, it's quite an interesting day. We'll see how today goes. And we're in an undisclosed location. Let's just say that. Hi, how's it going?
Yeah.
What you guys can do, you guys can start with the car. I think potentially, maybe I might split it between Jay and Priyank, so Priyank can start shooting you guys.
Yeah.
And then Jay will keep shooting the guys with the car.
Right.
And then at a certain point we'll swap over.
Okay.
And maybe we'll reposition the cars as well.
Okay.
Yeah? Is that okay?
So we're just walking over there.
Yeah, and Lee will move his car over there.
I'll just follow Lee.
Yeah. Okay. You good with that, Lee?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, nothing less. Cool. Yeah, in between the two buildings. It's really cool. There's something really nice about that space. I hope these bollards don't come up at some point, and then we're stuck, basically. Yeah, boy, look at it here, man.
Oh, I see what you mean.
It's got the industrial vibe, right, with all the staircases and all. I think I'll just park this car here, man. It is a nice car. It's not bad. Not bad at all. I don't mind. I won't say no. Someone says, hey, would you like to drive this DS7 for the weekend? I'd be like, yeah, sure. I don't mind. It's amazing. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna order another Polo. I'm gonna give you a Polo as well. Because I feel a bit bad just letting you have a Polo. And then Oscar doesn't have a Polo.
I actually have a Polo. Give us a flex.
Yeah, so we're gonna be over here between these two new buildings. It's very industrial, has a nice feel to it. We got the Lambo there, obviously. Yeah, so we got the Lambo there, getting ready to get these guys to go and model more. And Oscar's got his top off for no reason. Don't know why, but it's hilarious. Obviously, you can see why we got these guys in. Yeah, it's turning out really good. These buildings are brand new, brand spanking new, this whole area, so it's a perfect place to shoot the car. It's clean, it's just very clinical, urban. Connor's the guy who gave me my first opportunity to film a video. Because he has a car valeting company. Yeah. So we did that whole process.
Oh, what? As in she doesn't like really. Oh yeah, retire when they're like
So I thought I'd get my camera out. We here doing photo shoot. We're just about getting kicked out now as well, so not much time to do much things. But we out here doing things. Got Lee on the camera over here doing this thing.
Best part is I can still hear you from all the way over there.
Yeah, awesome. Was that what triggered you to bring the camera
Yeah,
over?
it's like a double vlog.
Yeah, that's epic.
Vlog off.
Oh man. No gimbal today, man. Just handheld. There's no time. Whoa, what's up?
All right. Nice to meet everyone.
All right, thanks so much. So yeah, it's over, man. It's done. We're actually 20 minutes over time. We're on borrowed time now, but we had Subway finished off. Got food in the back there. You can have some too, Lee. And yeah, it was really enjoyable. It went really well. This is our first different vlog, I guess, with the C100 Canon, which is like a beast. But yeah, things are really moving on, really rolling. Love it. It's amazing. Looking forward to more.
Yeah, enjoy.
Oh, well, thank you. I'm probably going to have to have the A1s, not have fun.
Oh, it was nice to meet you. That's okay. Long day.
Keep going. He's filming like the whole deep throat, you know.
Just let me get a close up on here.
No, oh my god.
Well, your water temperature. Shame they don't put an oil gauge in there. But
Yeah, I think you might be able to adjust it, but I just go off on that gauge.
yeah, I know, because once that's up, you can guarantee.
Yeah,
It's annoying though, because you either let it sit here or you take it round and then it starts to warm up quicker.
well, you can do that if you like.
I see what it
You'll notice a difference. Smoothly go around. The indicators will flash twice
well, when it's...
when it's active.
Oh, that's a bit...
You'll notice it.
It's so sturdy.
Do you see the headlights?
They switch on.
They're red. The halos are red.
Sounds amazing.
Yeah, it does.
So does that. That sounds so good.
And that's stock. We haven't changed the exhaust. And there is an exhaust for it as well. There's a Krapovich like optional exhaust you can get for it. And that one just sounds ridiculous. It's got the best wheels on it as well. I love driving out on weekends, just popping out to the shop. Yeah, put it in sport. It's fun.
As always, if you're interested in any of the equipment or any of the merchandise that we are wearing or using in this video, please check out the description where we include every link and information regarding that. So guys, thank you for watching and we'll see you on the next one.
Buy our clothes.
But yeah, buy these clothes, you know, if you want to. Yeah, that's all I gotta say.